I don't usually turn the camera on this early in the morning. At 7:15, we just got up. Well, 10 minutes ago. And I'm making my morning coffee, and I had to show you this. This is coffee that was given to us by one of our viewers. His name is John, and we just wanted to, well, at least I just wanted to take the opportunity to thank him on camera yet again for the generous gift. He met us at our last campsite at Saltwater, right? Yes, that was Saltwater. Yep. So, thanks again, John. I'm gonna grind it in my little coffee grinder, use my pour over, and it'll be a perfect cup yet again.
This morning we're in Port Townsend. It's Saturday morning. I convinced Steve to drive all the way here so that we can go to the farmer's market and do a few more fun things.
By that she means she promised me beer if I drove her out here. And it was a drive. But we're here.
Yeah. Port Townsend's supposed to be a cute town, so we'll check it out. Look, it's a little Airstream. Oh, yeah. Farmer's market was fun, got some amazing veggies we'll show you later, but now we're at an aero museum.
That's right.
Let's check it out.
Yes, let's do it.
It's also really cool that most of these airplanes were actually restored by young volunteers, kids, who come and volunteer and help restore planes, and then they get to learn to fly them. Kind of awesome. We came on a special day without knowing it, and focus. You can actually get airplane rides today, which is pretty cool, and a bunch of the planes are out on the tarmac, so we'll show you those. These were the main trainers in World War II. Most of America's pilots in World War II learned to fly on one of these. Here's a surprise. We're not getting Mexican food.
We're not?
We're not. We
Where
are
are we
getting
going?
Thai food.
Your hair is all frizzy. You have frizzy hair.
Is that a hat on?
Frizzy dizzy?
Rustic farmhouse ale inspired by the ales of southern Belgium and France. Golden to light pale, clean, bright with soft fruit notes, light hints of botanicals with light acidity.
Light acidity?
Light acidity. And this one definitely deserves a cool Instagram shot. Promised we'd show our farmer's market haul. We got a beautiful purple cauliflower.
Purple cauliflower. I don't think I've seen one of those.
Nice big fennel. Some kale. A couple of gorgeous tomatoes. Look at those suckers. A couple of purple onions, as Steve says. They're not red onions.
That's what the sign said.
A couple garlics. And some beans that you actually snap and like take out. Look. I think they're called fire's breath. I'll have to peel, actually get these out of here. There they are, look at that. So we'll make some fun meal out of a bunch of this stuff tonight. Pretty colorful meal.
Yeah, look at all these bright reds and purples.
Yellow.
Well, yes.
Well, no, the yellow and the squash.
And the, yeah.
Oops. So I have to admit, I didn't have a plan. So I'm just sauteing everything up with some cauliflower rice because we still had some. We desperately need to go grocery shopping. And garlic and salt and some lemon, some Parmesan and goat cheese. Kind of like an Italian vegetable medley. I think it'll be good.
Dinner time.
Turned out pretty good. Italian vegetable saute is pretty much what I'm calling this. Lots of garlic and lemon and Parmesan cheese for Steve. Healthy and delicious.
It's a hodgepodge of stuff. And as you can see, Patty is ready for her meal. We're going hiking tomorrow. We will see you then. Until then, we're going to eat, take the girls for a walk, and go to bed.
Enjoy our farmer's market dinner.